In about a half hour, this place is going to be crawling with dogs and people hunting pheasant. So hopefully I can get some good video of Chris's dog out here. That'll be fun.
Huh? No, he didn't want it.
He didn't want it?
No, but I'll give him, well, I'll give the gun back to Mark, and I'm sure he'll give a reward to give it to him, but he said he didn't want the reward. Heidi! 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 Should we just walk down that way, Russ? Should we just walk that way? Which way? Heidi. Heidi. Heidi.
Yeah, with old dugout.
That we knew who it belonged to, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't seen him in years, so I don't know. But I put a lot of birds down by the barn for feed.
She just doesn't stop.